for the MakeCode Minute today, what I wanted to do was take a look at a set of blocks that you can use with NeoPixels on board for the Circuit Playground Express or external ones that are plugged in that allow you to rotate a pattern forward or backward through your strip. So this came actually from a forum question. Someone in the Adafruit forum said, hey, how do I use these rotate? And there's also a shift shift option in this. First of all, what am I talking about? If you look at my simulator here, I'll go full screen on the simulator, you'll see when I press the B button, I rotate my little set of 4 pixels clockwise. And when I hit the A button, I'll go counterclockwise. And you can also see it happening right here on my actual Circuit Playground, forward and backward. And so the way this works is, first of all, in my OnStart block, I'm just setting up my NeoPixel strip as the onboard strips. This is a bit of a different setup than your usual light blocks here. Instead, we're heading to this NeoPixel section. We're creating a strip as if it's an offboard strip, but then we're pointing it right back onto the onboard pin. So it takes care of all of the details of RGBW ordering and the number of pixels in the strip, which is 10 in this case. And then I'm just setting 4 of those pixels to these colors, red, magenta, cyan, and blue. And then these are the key blocks here. Inside of my button A and button B, I'm using this onboard strip rotate by 1, or onboard strip rotate by -1. And what that means is when you press the button, it's going to move all of the pixels over 1 unit or backwards 1 unit. And part of the smarts of it is that it realizes, based on how long your strip is, that when it reaches the end of the strip, it doesn't just fall off the edge of the world, it flips around back to the very first one, like a snake eating its own tail. And so that's how you can use the rotate block on the Circuit Playground Express inside of MakeCode. And that is your MakeCode Minute.